Hey everyone, this is Shawn Batchelor and welcome to my Milestone 1 review video for application deployment 1, iPhone and iPad. So this week's project, we were tasked with creating an application that we're gonna complete over the course of 4 weeks. For the first milestone, I have the app partially completed. It has 2 screens, and the first one is a basic results from a mortgage calculation. For the next turn-in, I will do the detailed results, which will include a table view breakdown of the mortgage. Now let me just give you a brief demo of the app itself. So as you can see, my splash screen comes up, and pretty much what the app does is it calculates a mortgage and it gives you a simple text description of the results. So for the first screen, you're gonna input how much you want to borrow. So let's get a nice number, say 90,000, and how many years. Let's go with 30 years. And what's the rate? Let's go with 5% or 5.5%. And then you can select either basic or detailed. I'll go with basic because detailed is coming in the next milestone. When you click on results, it gives you a text description of the breakdown for your mortgage. So the sentence says if you borrowed $90,000, your monthly payment would be $483.14. You would pay back $173,929.22. The loan would cost you $83,929.22 at 5% interest over 30 years. So it aims to simplify the whole mathematical process, so it appeals to a general public. So you know how much you're borrowing, how much it's gonna cost you over the time period that you're gonna borrow it. Now the app for milestone 1, all of the features and tasks that I intended to implement have been implemented, except for one. I initially wanted to automatically calculate the years from the months and the months from the years and have it display live, but I wasn't able to figure that out. Otherwise, everything works as I intended. For this milestone, the feature changes: I changed the background color, added defaults to the text fields, and I changed the font on the application. It is pretty much as I designed it in Prototyper. And a couple issues that I came across, these weren't specified in my milestone to turn in, but I'd love to. I was trying to figure out how to collect only numeric input from the text fields, which I wasn't able to figure out. I was also trying to figure out how to set the decimal places, which I actually did. And as I mentioned before, I wanted to live update the field to automatically calculate the years from the months and the months from the years. But those weren't in the milestone, but those are things that I wanted to implement and I couldn't. So I'll try to work on them for next week. A basic rundown of my files. I pretty much have a view controller and my second view controller, which is the basic results. It passes to the second view controller via